Hi, my name is Michael. Welcome back to Hammer Web channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 must-have WordPress plugins that will help boost your online business website. Did you create your website with WordPress but you are confused about the plugins you need to install in order to automate your online business processes? In this video, I'm going to show you those plugins. Let's get into it. Now, this is my WordPress dashboard. The first thing you need to do is go to plugins, then go to add new. I'm going to show you the 5 plugins and I'm going to show you how to configure each of them. Now, the first plugin we're going to search for is AIOSU. Now, most people, after creating a website, they are more interested in building their SEO, website SEO performance instead of spending much money on running ads, instead of spending much money running ads on Facebook or Google. Most people are interested in boosting their website SEO performance in order that when users search for their website or search for their product on Google, they are going to see it, or when they search for it on other search engines like Bing or Yandex, they'll be able to see their website. Now that's the function of this plugin AIOSU. Now you can see it's kind of already installed on this website. So I'm going to show you how to configure it. Now the first thing, after installing and activating the plugin, you have to launch the setup wizard. This is going to help you easily configure the plugin without going through much stress. Another thing you need to know is that this plugin has a pro feature. Now you can see upgrade to pro. So if you prefer the pro version of this plugin, you can purchase it because some of the because the free version is limited, like they limited some features you can use in the free version of this plugin. So you can purchase the pro plugin in order to get those features. So let's get into it. Now, if you want to first launch the setup wizard, after installing the plugin, or if you install and activated the plugin for the first time, the setup wizard is going to show first in your screen. But if it's not showing, you have to come to all in one. You hover on this all-in-one SEO, then go to dashboard. Now when you go to dashboard, you can see launch the setup wizard right here. Now you click launch the setup wizard. Now when you click let's get started. Now you can see the first thing you're going to see is which category best describes your website. Now here you can choose which category is, like if you created a blog, or you created a news channel, or you created an online store, or you created a portfolio website for like selling your services or skills, or you created a small offline business, or you created a corporation. So in this one I'm going to kind of choose online store. Let me say we are creating an e-commerce website, so I'm going to choose online store. Now here you have to choose how you want the name of your website to display. Now let me show you for example. Now if you come here, let's search for Hammer Web. And if you search for Hammer Web, we will see that Hammer Web is showing the it's showing Hammer Web name with the description. So if you choose it like this, like if you leave it like this, it's going to be showing this way. But there are some websites that do prefer showing only their name. So if you want only the name of your website to show, you can just highlight this and delete this part. Now if you delete it, only you can now change this home to like the name of your website, the name of your e-commerce website. So but I'm going to leave it like this. Now here you have to add your meta description. Now this is the function of meta description. Now if you look at HammerWeb, you can see HammerWeb offers full multi-regional network, enabling you to deploy your service and other stuff. So this is the meta description. Now you have to add your own meta description. Let me write this is an e-commerce website. Now I'm going to click on save and continue. Now here you can choose your additional site from. You can choose if your website is managed by an organization or is a personal website, a website you are managing by yourself. So normal, you can choose. If you choose person, you can choose choose one of your user. Then you can click on use the same username for multiple social networks. Now if your e-commerce website has the same username throughout your whole social media account, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you can add them here. Instead of here you can see Facebook, then add them, you add it and put slash your username. Now after that, you click on save and continue. When you click on save and continue, yeah, I'm going to unclick on this because these are pro features. So I'm going to kind of remove them. But if for example, I purchase the pro version of this plugin, I don't need to untick all these options. So I'm going to untick them. I'm going to click on save and continue. Now when you click on save and continue, here you can see the preview of how your website is going to look like on Google. You can see Google snippet preview. This is how your website. Now if you don't like the way it is, you can simply kind of go back and change the settings. Now here you have to choose if your website is still under construction, is a live website. You can leave a live website. Then include up a post type. Then include sitemap. The sitemap is just like a way of telling Google like you created this product on your website, or you created this post on your website, or you updated your page. Now this sitemap is a stuff you have to a link you have to add to your Google Search Console. Now after that you click on do you have multiple authors? If you have multiple authors on your website, you can click on yes, or if you don't have, you click on no. Then you direct attachment page, you can click on yes. This means like if there's any pages you deleted, you can choose if you want to redirect them to a new page or not. And after doing that, you click on save and continue. And here you can skip this step, and you can also skip this step. Now you can see here, if for example you purchase the pro version, you can paste in your license key right here and connect it. Now I'm going to skip this step since I'm using the free version. Now I'm going to click finish setup and go to dashboard. So this is how to simply configure this plugin. You don't need to configure any other thing. Now another thing you might need to configure is when you go to social networks. You come to Facebook. Now this is going to help you. Like for example, if you have a product or a post you are creating on your website, and most times after sharing, after when users share those posts like Facebook or Twitter, the logo of your website will be showing instead of the featured image. So you can set this up here. Now if you come to default post image source, you have to choose featured image. Or if for example you want like a default image, that will be showing no matter the post or product they share to your to their social media pages. You can choose default image set below, or you can choose attachment image, or you can choose first image in the content. So but I do choose a featured image because I want each of the products and posts to have different image. Now the next thing you need to do is you do the same for Twitter. You can also go to do the also you can also do the same thing for Pinterest also, but you have to like link your Pinterest through verification code first. So this is how to set up the plugin. There's no other thing you need to do while setting up this plugin. Now let's go to the second plugin you need to boost your online business website. Now when I'm going to go back to plugins, I'm going to go back to add new. I'm going to click leave. Now the second plugins you need is social share plugin. Like there are most users after coming to your website and they like your product or your article, they want to share it to their friends on their social media accounts. Now it's going to be a bad experience when they come to your website and they are not seeing any social media like share buttons. Now there are two ways in which you can do. You can either use a Jetpack plugin which can give you that same function, but normally I do use a particular plugin that's the only function. So what you need to do when you come to plugins, you search for social share. When you type social share, you're going to see a lot of plugins that will give you that same function. So I do use this one or this one. Let's install any one of them. Any one of them, all of them have the same function. So you can choose, or after installing this one, you can choose the one. But this is the best one I choose for myself. Social media share buttons and icons. So after installing, this is installing. So after installing, you click on activate. So after activation, it's going to lead you to their settings. Now you can click allow and continue. Then you have to wait. Then allow and continue. Yes. So here you need to set up the social media share icons. Now to do that, you have to scroll down. You can see which icon do you want to show on your site. You can choose them. You can untick RSS feed. You can untick email. You can choose if you want your users to share your article or product to YouTube, to LinkedIn, to Pinterest, to when you enable which one you want. Then you come back to what do you want these icons to do. Now you can see you can either choose like for make the icon where you can either select if you want like people to locate your social media pages through those icons. Like if for example if you choose like for Facebook, you can either choose whether when people click on that icon to lead them to your Facebook account, or you choose when people click on that icon they can able to share your product to their social media account. So you can choose that. Then after choosing it, you can choose where shall they be displayed. You can choose if you want them to be displaying like below your website. You can choose them to be displaying inside, or you can choose them to be they displaying by the right or by the left or by the top or anywhere in your website, you can choose them right here. So after doing that, you can change the design of the icons also. So when you do all those stuff, you can click on save all settings. And when you do that, it's going to like start displaying those social media icons on your website, and users can easily share your products or pages to their social media accounts, or say like locate your social media accounts. Now let's go to the next plugin. Now the next plugin you need to install is Lightspeed Cache. Now to be a bad experience when people come to your website and your website is very very slow, users are not going to like, especially users that have slow network. They cannot be like going through more too. They cannot be like going through two stress at the same time. So it's best when you improve your website performance first. Now to do that first, when you come to here, you can search for Lightspeed Cache. Now I'm going to show you how to easily configure this plugin without too much hassle. Now when you search for it, you click install. Now after installation, you click on activate. Now, when you activate this plugin, you have to come to like Lightspeed Cache. You can see Lightspeed Cache here from your WordPress admin dashboard menu. Now, when you click on Lightspeed Cache, you click on preset. Now, the function of this preset is that it's like a launch, like a launch wizard we did on the AIOS. It's going to help you like enable the features you need. Now, when you come here, you can choose the one you want to enable, like each of them. But I normally use this advanced recommended. Now, this is going to enable everything in basic and plus. It's going to like enable CSS, DS, and HTML unification. Now, what you need to do, just click on this apply preset. When you click on this apply preset and you click on OK, it's going to enable all those functions you need on your website. This is going to boost your website is now this is going to boost your website speed performance. It's going to boost your website speed. Now this is how to easily configure this plugin. Now let's go to the next plugin. Now when you come to plugins, click on admin. Another plugin you need is an analytics plugin, and plugin will help you track how your users are searching for your website on Google Search Console, on search engines. Now, a plugin that is best good for this is Sitekit by Google. Now, to do that, you can either search it or you click on popular. When you click on popular, when you scroll down, you see the plugin right here. You can see it's Sitekit by Google. So, but I'm not going to. I'm going to show you like basic on how to easily install and configure this plugin. Now, this plugin has like four functions. You can like track your website Google Search Console. You can track your website Google Search Console stats. You can view your website analytics. You can view your website page speed performance. You can also monetize your website using Google AdSense. Now to get started with this plugin, you have to click on install now. After installation, you click on activate. Now when you activate this plugin also has setup wizard in which you can easily set up all those functions. Now what you need to do is like you like I need to reset this plugin because I've already installed it on my on this website before. So now you can see this is how the plugin is going to look like after configuring it. You like you'll be able to view your website analytics. Now you can see it's going to show you how your website, and it's going to show you like where your traffic is coming from. If it's coming from direct, it's coming from your social media, if it's coming from referral, or it's coming from search engines. It's going to show you. Now when it comes to your search console, it's going to show your search console stats. Now you see I need to like request access, like set up this plugin again. Now you can also see how your content is doing, and also you can view your like you can see your visitor experience on your website, like how like if it's your website performance is poor or is good. And also you will have the option to like connect your website to Google Search Console if you want to be making money from ads, like displaying ads on your website and be making money from your website. Now, here's the last plugin we're going to install. We're going to come back to plugins. I'm going to come back to admin. Now, the last plugin we're going to install is WP Code. This plugin is going to help you like easily add any code on your website. Let me say, for example, like you want to display sponsored post on your website. You don't need to like start going to your website file manager, and this is going to be a worse scenario if you don't know anything about coding. So, but this plugin is going to help you like add those codes to your website anywhere in your website, and you don't need to like go through like opening your PHP files, or open your HTML files, or open your CSS files. Now all you need to do, this is the plugin right here. This is the plugin right here. You can click on install now. When you click on install now, you click on activate. So after activating this plugin, you're coming back to code snippet. Then you click on header and footer. So here, this is where you can like choose to display code in your header, in your body, or in your footer. Or also you can come back to add snippet. You can also add snippet and choose where you want to, like you can see that like they are a lot of snippets you can choose from in order to display your code. So these are the 5 must-have WordPress plugins you need on your WordPress website in order to boost your online business website. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to share it to your friends.